camera didn't capture it, but as I was fighting a blackfin tuna, a sailfish hit my live bait behind me. I had one fish going one way, one going the other. I got the tuna up first, and then I focused on the sailfish. Ready to go still to get released. Didn't wear her out too bad, trying to get her in quick. Now I just think I broke my drive. Awesome. I'm gonna get this guy going, get him released. I don't know if the sail hit it or what. Here he goes, swimming fine. Oh, let's not forget about this guy that we got on the jig just before the sail. There we go. Gotta love that. Another nice black. Take that. What do you think? All day. Again, we're gonna bleed him real quick. Just reach in his gills, rip one of those out. As you can see, it gets a little bloody. That's how you get that meat looking good though. Another good one! Shaking like a mother. Pounder. Take them all day. That one hit right at the boat. It's a good one. It's running at me. Got to keep constant pressure on them because they do that a lot. They'll run hard away from you and then all of a sudden turn back real quick and that jig will just fall right out of their mouth. About the same size, all cookie cutter. 12, 15 pounders. All day. Well, I think we did all right. Taking home 2, 4, 6. 4 really good ones. We let one smaller one go. And probably lost about 6 as well. But a good day of jigging. Take pictures of all the tuna. I had my bait out still. And I got hit. I have a good king. Feels pretty big. 4 big tuna. Bunch of little ones, sailfish. Now what feels to be at least a 20-pound king. There you go. Oh, he's probably 40 pounds. Not done yet. What do you think about that? It's the end of the day. I was pretty much done fishing. I don't even know what to do now. Oh my god. Ah! Look at this standard. What a day.